I've heard about this funky little Indonesian joint that is run by two daughters and their mom. This is HARDENA.
It's just wonderful having international food, like Indonesian food, here in Philadelphia.
Here's your ginger fried chicken.
The fried ginger chicken is really good. We call it Ayam Kalasan.
This tastes exactly like how my grandma used to make it.
All right, so what are we making next?
The ginger paste for ginger fried chicken. Had our candle nut, shallots, garlic, ginger, galangal, turmeric.
Fresh.
Turmeric powder. This is gonna be what's on the chicken. Now I'm gonna bruise this lemongrass, tie it up, and just stuff it in the pot. Indonesian bay leaf, turmeric, salt. We use country chicken, so it's not as like fatty as like, you know, young chicken.
Yardbird.
And then we're gonna add the paste. Let it boil.
How long?
2 hours.
Got it.
Now we add our coconut milk, and this will cook for about another 20 minutes. Strain out the ginger flakes and take out the chicken.
So much going on here.
Now we're making our sambal terasi. It's a hot sauce with shrimp paste. Thai chilies, the shrimp paste, shallots, tomatoes, lime leaf, and then you got your red peppers, sugar, salt, paprika for color. Blend.
It's when the magic happens. Delicious. Can't tell there's any shrimp paste in there or Thai chilies. We're gonna cook it off.
Yep.
So now we took the chicken out, let it dry a little bit, but you've skimmed off some of what we've cooked, and that's all on top of the chicken now.
Basically, you're frying the ginger paste. Now the ginger fried chicken is ready. You got your rice, a little sambal. Bon appetit. Selamat makan.
That's how I usually say it. I love the Yardbird. This little ginger fry crunch that's on the outside, I keep chasing it around because I want more of that. The sambal is the bomb. With the rice, with the crunch, with the fry, with the chicken, when you can get that optimum bite, it's dynamite.
Ginger fried chicken has the crispy skin that you want, but then the tender, moist meat on the inside.
The ginger, it just tingles on your tongue.
And then putting that sambal with it's super delicious.